The Changemaker trio helped cut Paani. In a nearby forest like three friends named Heli, Ken, and Maya. Heli, an elephant, is extremely friendly, curious and loves to hang out with her friends. Ken, a turtle, is a bit shy and cautious when met with new things. Maya, a bird, is funny, bold, and never afraid to try something new. Together, they make up the Changemaker trio. One day, these three friends decided to go to lunch at a restaurant close to their home in the forest. "Let's go out to get some food," Maya exclaimed. "I'm so hungry." "Sounds good with me," Heli replied. "What do we want to eat?" "How about we go to the Ashoka Cafe?" Ken suggested. "It's not too far from here." "Sounds good," agreed Heli and Maya. "Let's go." When the Changemaker trio arrived, they were promptly sat down. They chatted and giggled while waiting for their waiter to come. A few minutes later, their waiter, a small brown monkey, swung from the branches above them and came to halt above their table. The monkey hopped down and waved. "Hi, my name is Kel and I will be your waiter today. Can I get you anything to drink?" "I'll have water," said Hall. "Me too," Maya answered. "Can I have some as well?" Ken asked. "Of course. Would you like to help cut Paani?" He asked. "What does that mean?" Maya questioned. "It means you would like half of a glass instead of a full glass." He kindly replied, "Cutting Paani by only taking half of a glass at a time reduces the amount of water wasted. It is better to fill your glass halfway 5 times instead of filling it full 3 times." "I guess that makes sense," Heli stated. "But why do we need to reduce the amount of water wasted? Did you know that 12 liters of water left in our glasses is wasted every year? That's enough water to fill more than 5.5 Olympic swimming pools," Kel explained. "Wow, that's a lot of water," Ken observed. "And you're saying we can help this by cutting Paani and only filling our glass up halfway?" "Yes, if everyone were to cut Paani, there would be a lot less water wasted," Kay described. "People would become more mindful of how much water they are leaving in their glass and more willing to try to reduce the amount of water wasted." "That's a really cool idea to try to reduce water waste," Maya declared. "I only want my glass half filled." "Me too," Hall added. "I never realized how big of an issue water waste is." "I want to cut Paani as well," Ken stated. "I don't want to be part of the problem. I want to be part of the solution." "That's really great," Kay exclaimed. "It is so important that people better understand the issue of water waste so that they can make more knowledgeable decisions about their water use." "I really want to help reduce water waste," Maya said. "Is there any way we can make others aware even though we are kids?" "Of course," Kay remarked. The simplest way for you to help is by pledging to do your best to cut Paani and by asking everyone you know to cut Paani as well. You can also help by speaking to other places like restaurants where there is a lot of water waste. That sounds like a fun adventure, Maya said, and a helpful one as well. Hall added, we should definitely go talk to some restaurants that are nearby. Great, Kel exclaimed. Thank you for your help. The next morning the Changemaker trio met at their favorite meeting spot underneath the tallest tree in the forest. They had each prepared flyers to give to the restaurants to describe the goal of cotton Paani. They decided to head to the Rio eatery first to make the people there more aware of water waste. When they arrived, they were greeted by Rio, the tiger who owned the restaurant. How can I help you? Rio asked. We came to ask you to take the pledge to cut Paani by only filling your customers' glasses up halfway. Hall explained. Water waste is a big issue that not enough people are aware of, Maya added. Did you know that 14 liters of water left in our glasses is wasted each year? Ken asked. The three friends continued to explain the issue further in order to make sure that Rio understood the problem as a whole. We'd love to take the pledge to cut Paani here at the Rio eatery, Rio exclaimed. I'm so impressed that young animals like yourselves are taking it upon yourselves to make a difference in the world. Thank you, Maya, Helly, and Ken responded. We have learned so much about how we can make a difference despite our age. We hope that all youth are able to see their potential to make a change. Maya, Helly, and Ken felt really happy that they were able to help. They were hopeful that they'd find more ways to help change the world in the future. They hope that you take the opportunity to help the world as well.